Good day, everyone. If your phone is running slow, if your Android phone is very much lagging, this tutorial is for you. So, the very first step here is to restart your phone because it's been a month. Most of the people they do not restart their phone for months, and the processor, the RAM, and everything gets overloaded. So, restart works a lot, and you can restart. And after restart, uh, performing the steps will also be helpful. Like you will be able to do the steps with ease. So once you restart your phone, then we need to check how much space we have. So to do that, click on the settings or try to find it in the apps. I'll scroll down and I have found it settings, and here we need to go to RAM and storage. So you need to scroll down and look for storage, anything which is related to storage, and I can see I have found it. So here we will click on that, and you need to check how much space you have. So if you have less than 8 GB, 8 to 10 GB, please make sure at least you have 20 GB free space in your phone, because when you use any app that creates space, temporary space, and we should have free space in the computer. And here you will find how many videos, how many apps, system images, and everything you have. And you can always manage storage, and you can remove unwanted items from your phone. Once you're done with this, we will again go to settings, and this time we will go to apps. Now in apps, you need to spend time and check all apps installed. Look one by one and see which app is taking how much space, and are you using those uh, apps or not. So whatever the app you find, if you find those apps are memory hogger, taking up a lot of space, and you hardly use those apps, I would recommend to uninstall it, like this. So you need to click on that, uninstall it. All right, so this will take time. One by one you can do that. If you find Android applications which you do not need, you can always disable that, like this. And if you need it, you can enable always. Once you're done with this, now you need to again see if is there any malware in your phone or not. If you think that your phone has malware, I would recommend to download any scanner like Norton or any other app to scan. And even after doing those steps, if your phone is lagging, the last thing which you can do is to reset your phone to the factory settings. You can do that, and you just need to go to settings and type search reset, and you will find reset all settings, reset app preferences, erase all data, factory reset. So after taking the backup, you can always reset your phone. All right. So by these simple steps, I'm sure your computer, your Android phone will run much better, and you will be able to use your phone flawlessly. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.